Want to see how I prepare this delicious plate of food and want to see what it is? Come along with me to the kitchen. Here I have some chicken back. I already cleaned and washed with vinegar and lime. Now I'm going to cut in smaller pieces and add my seasoning, and all the ingredients used will be in the description box below. Okay, we're going to allow this to marinate while we work on our plantain dumpling. Here I have 2 green plantains. I'm going to peel, rinse and grate it. Then we'll come back for the next step. Okay, now that we have completely grated, now I'm going to add some flour in a bowl, and to the flour I'm going to add salt. Then I combine my grated green plantain, mix to combine. Then we go hands in, guys, clean hands, and we add water as we need, as needed, and need to get a nice dough. And these you're going to boil them for at least 15 minutes. But just watch the steps. Okay guys, the other things will be needed for our curry is our onion, garlic, thyme, add pepper, bell pepper, and some pimento seed. And I'm going to burn my curry. Here I'm adding a small amount of oil to my pot. And guys, we have to burn our curry, it's a must. So we're going to add our curry as much as you want. But I had turmeric to mine because the color that I'm getting from this curry I don't really like, so I use a turmeric to give me a more vibrant color. Okay, and that's optional. Okay guys, now we're going to add our marinate curry chicken back, and I'm going to stir to coat. And note, no water at this time. We're just going to cover and allow it to sweat. And for the water we'll be using, please put your kettle on the side or a pot on the side. So we need hot water for the curry, okay? For any meat that you're cooking, you need hot water. So moving on, here I've completely peeled my potatoes and prep my fresh season, and I'm going to just dice those and set aside for later. Okay guys, after around 5-7 minutes of cooking, now I'm going to add my boiling water, and I'm just going to stir that, cover. And here after 10 minutes more, I'm adding my potatoes and stuff, and I'm going to stir, cover, and allow the sauce to thicken, and then we can serve. This is a perfect lunch or dinner idea. And here is my finished dish guys. My curry chicken back, in Jamaica we say curry chassis, and my green plantain dumpling. Hope you guys enjoy this one. And if it's the first time you came across my channel, please tap that red button and join the family. And to my returning supporters, appreciate you all. Love you guys. Thank you for the support. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.